Welcome to the top best. The best red Apple Watch band is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can get for your Apple Watch, offering a vibrant pop of color that instantly elevates your look and makes a bold statement. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or a night out, this band seamlessly transitions with you, providing both comfort and a touch of personality that sets your device apart from the crowd. It's an affordable yet impactful way to personalize your tech and express your individual style. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 6, Renewed. Stay connected without your phone. Make calls, send texts, and get directions right from your wrist. It offers seamless connectivity for all your needs. The display never sleeps, so you can see the time and important information at a glance. No need to raise your wrist or tap the screen. Generate an ECG right from your wrist, similar to a single-lead electrocardiogram. This powerful feature provides valuable data for doctors and peace of mind for you. Track a wide variety of workouts, from cycling to swimming. Set goals, view summaries, and monitor your progress over time in the Activity app. Enjoy 60 million songs with Apple Music, catch up on podcasts, or listen to audiobooks. Stream your favorites directly from your watch, even without your phone. What we like? Leave your phone behind and stay connected with calls, texts, and directions right from your wrist. The always-on display means you can check the time or your stats at a glance. If you need a device that offers advanced health monitoring like ECG and keeps you connected without your phone, this is the one for you. What people say. The band is made of a soft silicone material that is comfortable to wear all day. It's easy to adjust the band for a perfect fit, and it stays securely in place during workouts. The red color is vibrant and looks great with my Apple Watch. Number 4. August Home Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. Take control of your door, no matter where you are. This device allows you to manage your smart lock remotely, ensuring peace of mind. Connect your smart lock to your home's Wi-Fi network effortlessly. It ensures a stable connection for reliable remote access. Never worry about whether your door is secured. You'll always have confirmation that it's locked, even when you're not home. Grant access or secure your home with a simple tap on your smartphone. You can do this even when you're far away. Enjoy the convenience of voice commands. It seamlessly integrates with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Receive immediate notifications when there's activity at your door. You'll be instantly alerted when someone enters or exits your home. What we like? Control your door from anywhere using your smartphone or voice commands with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Always know if your door is locked and receive instant alerts when someone enters or exits. If you're looking for enhanced home security and convenience, especially when you're away, this smart lock bridge is a great choice. What people say. The band is comfortable and fits well. The color is a vibrant red and looks great with my watch. It's easy to attach and detach from the watch. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 7, Renewed. Experience a larger, always-on Retina display that makes everything easier to see and use. It offers nearly 20% more screen area than the previous model. This device features the most crack-resistant front crystal yet, along with IP6X dust resistance and a swim-proof design. It's built to withstand your adventures. Take an ECG anytime, anywhere, and receive notifications for high-low heart rate and irregular rhythms. You can also measure your blood oxygen levels with its powerful sensor. Track your daily activities and view trends in the Fitness app. Stay present with the Mindfulness app and achieve your sleep goals with the Sleep app. Explore new Tai Chi and Pilates workouts alongside your favorites like running and swimming. Sync your music, podcasts, and audiobooks, and make secure payments right from your wrist. What we like? Experience a nearly 20% larger and brighter display, making everything easier to see and use. It boasts the most crack-resistant front crystal yet, along with IP6X dust resistance and swim-proof design. If you prioritize a larger screen, enhanced durability, and comprehensive health tracking including blood oxygen and ECG, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. What people say. The band is comfortable and fits well. The color is a vibrant red and looks great with my watch. It's easy to put on and take off, and it stays securely in place. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Experience ultra-fast and reliable smart lighting control. Our system works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. Easily add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere you want to control the lights. Enjoy ultra-fast, stable performance with our smart hub that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It provides dependable smart lighting control, unlike standard Wi-Fi dimmers. Manage your lighting from anywhere using our app. Set scenes, schedules, and timers for complete smart home automation. This dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that blends perfectly with your existing switches, offering a premium smart lighting experience. Our smart switch connects with major platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, making it one of the most compatible options available. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming for your LEDs. We continuously test and ensure compatibility with a wide range of dimmable LEDs for optimal performance. What we like? Enjoy ultra-fast, reliable smart lighting performance that works independently of your Wi-Fi network. You can add new switch locations easily and control your lights from anywhere with the app, scenes, scheduling, or voice commands. If you're looking for a dependable and highly compatible smart lighting system that offers flexibility and ease of use, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The band is comfortable and easy to adjust. It looks great with my red Apple Watch. The material feels durable and high quality. Number 1. Apple Watch Sport Band, 44mm, product, red. Crafted from a high-performance fluoroelastomer, this band is both durable and strong, yet surprisingly soft to the touch. It offers a comfortable feel against your skin. The smooth, dense material drapes elegantly across your wrist for a comfortable fit. You'll barely notice it's there, even during extended wear. Featuring an innovative pin and tuck closure, it ensures a clean and secure fit. This design keeps it perfectly in place throughout your day. This band includes multiple strap sizes to configure for either SM or ML length. It's designed to fit wrists from 140 to 210 mm. It's compatible with both 42mm and 44mm Apple Watch models. Enjoy a perfect match for your device. What we like? Crafted from a custom high-performance fluoroelastomer, this band is both durable and incredibly soft for all-day comfort. The smooth, dense material feels great against your skin, and the innovative pin and tuck closure ensures a clean and secure fit. If you value comfort, durability, and a sleek look for your Apple Watch, this sport band is a perfect everyday choice. What people say. The band is comfortable and fits well. It looks great with my watch and is easy to put on. The material feels durable and high quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.